Ceol, the Irish word for mist or fog. The Shuilleabháin are a supernatural race in Irish mythology. According to the 11th century manuscript Leabhar go Bhála Éideann, the Book of the Taking of Ireland, they arrived on the shores of Ireland in dark clouds. In Irish myth, this magical mist, or ceol, renders the Shuilleabháin invisible to humankind. In Jungian psychology, ceol carries a potent symbolic resonance. It is often understood as a liminal state, a threshold between the conscious and the unconscious realm. Such thresholds are moments of transition, where encounters with the numinous arise. In our dreams, to move through fog is to journey through uncertainty, confusion, or sometimes fear, all of which may accompany psychological transformation. Yet within this obscurity lies revelation. A new dimension of the self is being revealed. When this unveiling is experienced as numinous, it brings with it the sense of profound change and inner transformation. Ceol, mist or fog.